What's up, everyone? This is Evan with Crypto Cash Camp. This is where we talk about everything about passive income in the crypto space, DeFi, farming, staking, plug-and-play devices like Helium. And today we're going to jump in and talk about the best DeFi plays for farming stablecoins because the market is tanking. Check this out. Everything is dropping. My God, Solana took a huge hit. Anyway, so let's get into it. So we're going to do degen farming because I've already covered a video about how to do blue chip farming. So what this is rug.io. They cover all the new DeFi exchanges and pretty much vet them to see if their code is malicious or not and base the risk here. Low risk, some risk, medium risk. I stay out of medium risk into the some risk, low risk. So let's go into the ones that are popping off today. It is the 9th, so I opened all these to look at always going to their total locked value first. So I'm seeing this. I would love it to have more, but let's just say over 100,000 is a bare minimum. All right, so let's go into their farms and see what they've got. They've got some interesting things. We got a stablecoin farm right here for 2.12. Remember, this doesn't last a long time, but there is a minimum harvest lockup, which isn't that fun, and there's a deposit, a deposit fee of 4%. So if you're putting 1,000 in, they're taking 40. So let's go over to Salem. This is on Phantom, and we're seeing that the total locked value is about 136,000. So let's go to the farms. We've got some stablecoin farms for 1,800. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Let's go over here. Does anyone have more total lock? 108,000. Okay, that's all right, but let's see what these stablecoins are going for. Here we're getting 170,253 with 4% deposit fee. I mean, that means you really gotta be in it about 7 days to get your deposit fee back and hope the actual rate stays the same. Probably not worth it. 1.2 million. Okay, so this is something that could stay around for a little bit. Let's look what they got for stables. I'm seeing this for 394%. Interesting. And they've got 55,000 in it. Okay, this is looking a little more interesting. And then this hasn't launched yet, and it has some stupid APYs, but it should be launching in the next few hours. And this is called Swift Finance. And right now, obviously, the rates are through the roof if you go to farms, but that won't last very long. You wait for it to actually start, and the real rates coming. 34,000 for USDC. That probably won't last. So you wait for it to start before you deposit. All right, so that was a quick run through with degen stablecoin yield farming when the market is just tanking. So if this is something that you want to know more about making passive income, I'm helping 1,000 people make $50 a day. Really not that hard. Some simple strategies. So if you want more content, hit the subscribe button, throw a comment. I'm answering all the comments right now for the next month. And I will see you guys soon.